You don't think I'll leave it? Yeah.
Step back.
First ones.
You see how to do it? You see how to do it? You just strike it. Strike it as hard as you can. Come on.
Oh wow, those were good.
Do it, man.
Next. This one needs a friend. Yeah, go with the next little one there. Holy jeez. Alright, we going to the next roll?
No, you got more, don't you, Gabe?
Yep.
Go for it, dude. No. We lit our flares too early.
Be careful.
Yeah, you did.
Alright. Pop.
I'd almost say you could do the next one too.
You want me to?
I don't know, what do you guys think? The next one too? Get a
Yeah.
little double action?
Okay, remember, as soon as he lights that third one, you guys go and then...
Whoa!
You guys ready to light the first ones?
Ready?
Do it up!
Do it.
Are we ready?
Go!
Wait.
Next one.
This one's going.
There, got it.
Next one.
Next one. Jeff's still going.
I screwed up and got ahead by one, but it's gonna work out.
I'm on. Outstanding.
Ah, absolutely.
Move. I got a couple more left in mine.
I got two on mine. I got ahead by one.
I'm done.
Doing the last one. It's my last one. I'll let you get.
I got one more after this. You got one more, Jeff?
Oh, shit.
Holy crap! Woo!
Incredible.
Dang! Woo!
Last one. I'm on.
Last one for both. You guys want to start our next one here? Let's do it.
Wait. Let that one.
Hold on.
Now go.
Okay.
Is yours out already?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay.
So I'm gonna wait on these guys.
Yeah.
I'm in. Jeff.
Whoa!
got one more after that.
I tell you what, if the cops don't come after this one.
Okay. Hey, Nick, don't light. Here, don't light the last one. Don't light the last one. Let it go to the wall, and then we'll do the light.
Hey, he didn't like the last one?
No, he's gonna wait a few seconds. Let there be a lull.
Okay.
Let me see if I can get this. Hold on, wait. Hold on, guys. I want to see if I can get that other one. Can I? Go ahead.
Try to light them both at the last time.
Hold on.
Are we doing them all together then?
No, wait.
This one's amazing. Yeah, that goes high.
Did you get that one?
Okay, is that done? Go and light them now.
Okay.
Okay.
Get it.
Ready? Do it.
Do it. Good.
Okay, Joey, back up if you can.
Yeah?
Back up. Come on, we're gonna light these.
Okay.
Here you go, guys. Dave, you want it?
You're gonna have to light them. Come on now. Go ahead and light them.
Dave? Dave, here you go.
Close to the thing.
Your head down.
Happy 4th of July! Woo! Beautiful, Dave. Well done, sir.
Turned out well.
All you lighters, well done. Good job. Production value like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah, still that one's a dead.
We gotta see what happens.
Oh my gosh.
That was amazing.
That one didn't go? Nope. Try lighting it again. Back it up.
There's no wick, sir.
Stick it in there.
No, it went.
got it. We
You
got
can
this
see
other
it went. It just didn't go all the way.
Yeah, it didn't go all the way.
Yeah, so just shove
I
that
would
in there. There's a good
definitely not
idea.
Stick a fire in there.
No.
I would just say let's call it an amazing fireworks display.
Yep, that was done.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
We got this one right here, Dave.
Was it good?
Right there. Yeah, that's the back. Fizzle out.
It fizzled out, yep. All right, now I'm